Hello everyone, welcome to Decode ITES. This is a single learning platform for multiple IT infrastructure technologies. Do like, share and subscribe our channel to never miss out our videos. Let's continue with the learning. Let's have a small introduction of myself. My name is Prince Garg. I'm having 3 plus years of work experience and worked on Red Hat, VMware, Windows, Google Cloud, PowerShell, Python and Bash scripting. Kindly follow us on Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, and reach out to us on itesfund.com. Welcome back everyone to the learning of Linux 8. In this lesson, we will cover what is the concept of IP address, what are dynamic and static IP addresses, and what are public and private IP addresses. In this lesson, I will cover with the basics only and will go with the advanced version on the next slide. So what is an IP address? IP address is called as Internet Protocol Address, is an address of your network hardware. It helps in connecting your computer to other devices on your network and all over the world. An IP address is made up of numbers of characters. Example of IP address would be like 103.228.1.1. Note that this is the example for IP version 4 address only. All devices that are connected to an internet connection have a unique IP address, which means there is a need of billions of IP addresses. This requirement is fulfilled by the new IP version, which is IPv6. These are the two IP versions, IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 is the older version, which has an space over 4 billion, let's say, IP addresses. However, the new IPv6 version can provide up to trillions of IP address to fulfill the need of all internet users and devices. As of now, if we count the IPv4, there are very few IPv4 address left in the environment. The IPv4 version is used to configure IP address in numeric value, which may conflict with other IP addresses. That's why IPv6 has adopted and the hexadecimal method to provide unique IP address to billions of users in the world. Example of an IPv6 IP address is like 4GGR colon 1925 colon. So it's a hexadecimal numeric value. There are few types of IP address like private IP address, public address, static, dynamic. Let's talk about these different type of IP address one by one. So there are two versions of IP that currently coexist in the global internet. We have already discussed that IPv4 and 6. IP addresses are made up of binary values and drive the routing of all data over the internet. IPv4 addresses are 32-bit long and IPv6 address is 128 bits long. IPv4 and 6 will be used for the foreseeable future. However, there will be a transition from IPv4 to IPv6. Although these two protocols cannot interact with each other directly, like the dual stack systems provide facilities for exchanging data between IPv4 and v6. Internet addresses are a shared public resource. Effective management and fair access to these resources is vital to the ongoing health of the internet. APNIC does not offer internet address for sale. It registers the right to use those resources according to the policies set by the community members who use them. Internet number resources are allocated to regional internet registries (RIRs) such as APINC by the Internet Assigned Numbers Authority (IANA), which is responsible for global coordination of the DNS route, IP addressing, and other Internet protocol resources. What are public and private IP address? Here's the diagram, or you can see the figure by which you can get it easily. So here we are having the internet connection which is working globally, and then we get a line connection through the router. The router may be wired or wireless both, and then we are connecting the devices through wired or wireless connection from the routers. And the devices are getting IP range like 192.168.1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 respectively. These devices are connected through the internal IP address only. As you can see at your home, the devices are connected with the internal IP. No one outside the network can access the devices with their IP addresses. So the private IP address is the address of your device connected to the home or business network. If you have a few different devices connected to one ISP, then all your devices will have a unique private IP address. This IP address cannot be accessed from devices outside your home or business network. For example, 192.168.1.1. Private IP addresses are not unique because there are limited number of devices on your network. You can find out the private IP address of your device using few techniques, like if you are using a Windows user, then simply go to the command prompt and ipconfig. If you are a Mac user, then you need to enter the following command like ifconfig in your terminal app. If you are using internet on mobile phones or tablets, then you can go to Wi-Fi settings to find out your IP address. iOS users can find the IP address by clicking on the I button next to the network they are connected to. Android users can click on the network name in their Wi-Fi settings and it will show up the IP address it's consuming. Public IP address. Public IP address is the main IP address to which your home or business network is connected. This IP address connects you to the world and it's a unique for all users. There can't be duplicate entries. Like if we compare that you are having 192.168.1.1 at your home laptop, then maybe your friend or your colleague, there are too many persons who are using the same network because it's the internal one. It will not gonna conflict it. To find out your public IP address, simply go to the support LS site in your browser and it will display the public IP and other browser information. You can also check what's my IP over the Google and it will show up the IP address. In the last, we are going to discuss static and dynamic IP addresses. Most resources who are working under the IT environment are getting confused in the static and dynamic IP address and private and public. So we have already discussed the private and public IP address, and the static IP address are both like private and public, and the dynamic IP address are both private and public. It depends according to the environment. So the static IP address does not change once it is assigned to a device, computer, and a network. Since the IP is static and known, there is more possibility for network attacks. This is used by web servers and email servers, etc. Number of allocable IP addresses is limited in V4. Hence, nowadays it is not possible to connect all the devices that exist in the world to the internet simultaneously by using IPv4. Like if you are having a Wi-Fi router at your home, you can set a static IP address to the laptop. It will not gonna change. Or if you are having a small office, you can set the same. Dynamic IP address are assigned by ISP using the DHCP method. Available IP address is assigned to a device when it is connected to the network, and after the session expiry, the IP address released for other devices in use. The effective use of IP address is an advantage of dynamic IP address assigning. Since the IP address changes frequently, it becomes not traceable. So the dynamic IP address works like if you are having 5 devices connected and they are getting 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 respectively, and accidentally .4 device goes away or it got disconnected, and if some new users enters through the network, it will get the .4 IP address, not .6. So that's all with the concept of networking. We will continue the IP versions discussion in the next video. If you're having any issues, you can just drop a comment in the comment section below or reach out to us on itsfund.com. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and comment our videos. Also, subscribe to our channel.